Artoonza.
Warning, extreme cuteness. Ahead! Hold on to your sparkly socks because we're drawing the most adorable glitter makeup set ever, including a red heart mirror that might wink at you. Get your black markers, glitter stash, and maybe your vacuum.
Aww.
Yes, the naughty one that eats glitter like candy. Let's add color drops, splashy brush strokes, and so much sparkle. It might make your crayons jealous. Ready to make beauty history on paper? Let's glow, glitter, and giggle together. Glitter time. Let's make it shine and sparkle like a superstar. Oops, I glittered outside the lines again. Blame the brush. Warning, excess glitter may cause spontaneous dance moves. Smash that like button now. Warning, excessive cuteness may cause spontaneous happy dances. The glitter's flying everywhere. Even the vacuum's panicking.
Aww, so cute.
Give us your like. Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. This red heart just winked at me from the mirror. I think it's crushing on your artwork. Blue.
Wow!
Careful! This nail polish is so fancy, it just asked for a reservation at a 5-star salon. This is so amazing. Give us a big thumbs up. Color, color, color. Don't be shy, color high. This is better. Color, color, color.
Aww, so cute.
Whoa, this mascara has more drama than my puppy during bath time. Yellow. This lipstick's so bold, it just whispered, I was born to sparkle, darling. This brush is so fluffy, it might tickle your paper into giggling. Green. Orange. Purple. Color, color, color. I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.